Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel Google Ads payment. If you've decided to pause your advertising efforts or simply want to stop the billing cycle, this process will help you completely shut down your account and halt all charges. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your Google Ads account using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple advertising profiles. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which is your central hub for managing campaigns, budgets, and account settings. From the dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find various options for managing your account. Look for and click on the Admin option. This section houses all the administrative controls for your account, including billing, user permissions, and account status settings. Clicking on Admin is essential because it's where you'll access the tools needed to make significant changes to your account. Once you click on Admin, the menu will expand, revealing additional options. From this expanded menu, look for Account Settings and click on it. This is where you can view and modify core details about your Google Ads account, including payment methods, account preferences, and cancellation options. It's important to navigate carefully here, as changes made in this section can have lasting effects on your advertising activities. Inside Account Settings, locate the Account Status drop-down. Click on it to reveal the cancellation options. This is a critical step, so take a moment to understand what you're about to do. Keep in mind that the only way to stop Google Ads billing completely is by canceling your entire subscription. Google will display a disclaimer explaining that if you cancel your account, all your ads will stop running immediately, and you'll receive a final bill within 60 days. This final bill will cover any remaining charges accrued up to the cancellation point. If you agree with these terms and are ready to proceed, click on Cancel My Account. Once you do this, your campaigns and ads will stop running instantly, and no further charges will accumulate from new ad launches. Your account will be effectively closed and you won't be billed for any future activity. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Google Ads payment and stopped all billing. Your ads are no longer active, and you'll only need to settle the final invoice within the next 2 months. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.